So this is the most superb bit of case making for a piece of jewellery, and on the outside it helps us enormously because it tells us exactly who the recipient of the contents was. Mrs. W.H. Williams, Lady Mayoress, Liverpool, 1909 to 1910. So shall we open it up and see what's in there? There it is. A very elaborate and valuable piece of jewellery, diamond jewellery. Of course, Liverpool was a hugely prosperous town at this time, wasn't it? A great trading port, and so probably funds came together to buy her this, I have to say, very lavish present, isn't it?
It's beautiful.
But how is it in your family?
My husband's great-grandfather was Lord Mayor of Liverpool, so this belonged to his great-grandmother.
Yes. And of course it would be a part of her duty to be here, there and everywhere with him.
I assume so, yes, in those days.
It's just post-1900, which is the high point of the Art Nouveau movement.
Right.
And the characteristic of the Art Nouveau movement are these swirling designs, this sort of sinuous form, loosely heart-shaped, I suppose, but nonetheless sort of organic forms. And it's actually mounted in gold, and then the white stone set in silver, which is typical of the period and not in platinum. And it's very versatile because there's a fitting on the back that you can unscrew to wear it as a pendant. And then you can wear it also as a brooch.
Right.
But it's a good thing. Come on, have you ever been tempted to wear it?
I must admit, I'd love to wear it, but as I say, where would you, wear something like that these days?
It's very tricky, isn't it? Yeah. And actually that rather does impinge on the value of these objects because in the United Kingdom, there aren't the occasions that there were, but it is a good story. There's quite a substantial diamond here in the middle, a brilliant diamond, and then a perfectly nice pearl. So I think I'm going to value it at something like £7,000 to £10,000.
I won't wear it out to a party then.
Just at home?
Yes, sitting in front of the telly.
What will you watch?
Antiques Roadshow.
Perfect.